हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरी लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाउनको लागि बेल आइकनलाई क्लिक गर्न नभुल्नुहोला।
Warmly welcome you to Huawei product launch event. This is a Huawei Mate30 and Mate30 Pro. We think the design. We bring the Hello Ring design. We make the screen display to the borderless 88-degree edge-to-edge design. On Mate30, we have 2 back material, the vegan leather and the glass, and 6 color for your selection. On the Mate30 Pro, we also have the 2 material on the back and the 6 color. We think performance. In this phone, we have the world's most powerful 5G SoC chipset inside, the Kirin990. And inside this 4,500 large battery, we provide the seamless Huawei supercharging anytime, anywhere. We think the photography. We introduced the dual big sensor inside. We are the first vendor in this unit to introduce ultra-wide-angle cine camera. Together with the super sensing wide angle, we have a tele-lens and also we have 3D depth sensing technology. Huawei Mate30 Pro, the world's first smartphone with dedicated 14-megapixel cine camera with ultra slow motion, professional 4K video, ultra stable recording, 4K cinematic time lapse, ultra low light, wide angle time lapse. As we think of the experience, EMUI 10, we can support the latest Android 10. This phone have the leading smart gesture sensor in front. It's an AI auto rotate. It can follow your eyes direction. We bring the intelligent multi-screen collaboration. We always take the privacy and security protection as a top priority. We think the time. Huawei Watch GT bring all the style for your selection. We receive very good consumer feedback. It's recognized as the best devices in the world. Please enjoy our demo booth. Thank you.